Hello, my name is Michaela Dowdy. I'm one of the Financial Planning Associates here at Wiser Wealth Management. Today we'll be talking about the benefit that most companies now offer about an employer stock purchase plan, stock options, or restricted stock units. If your company offers one of these to invest in their stock, you might not want to turn it down. However, it is important to look at it in light of your financial plan, because your salary, your health care, and your other company benefits are all coming from this company. So you want to make sure you're not over-concentrating all of your assets into one basket. We've all heard you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, so you don't want to put all of your financial eggs, your health care, everything into the faith of one company. Because if something does happen, we don't want it to, but if something does happen to your company, then all of that is out the window as your company goes away as well. So overall, you do need to be a little wary of investing in your employer stock purchase plans, your stock options, or your restricted stock units. And when they do vest, we really do believe that it's best to then diversify your vested units and your vested shares. If you have any more questions about how to best take on your employer's stock purchase plan or your restricted stock units or your stock options, reach out to us here at Wiser Wealth Management.